I love America.
Rewind.
Because I can celebrate the birthday of my nephew,
Parang
Lorenzo.
Pumilis, ano ba yan?
Lorenz,
Mukhang marami na inom na wine.
Lorenz, happy birthday, ah. I hope you're happy. It's your 26 years old now. You're not a baby anymore. So, okay lang yan. Keep strong, keep healthy. May you have more birthdays to come. I'm happy for you. And, of course, your lovely wife, Jen. You know, you should be very thankful that...
Why does Dad have a fake accent? That is the question. Too much chocolate cake.
And probably the Chianti.
And maybe a
This is
coffee.
a very humble way of celebrating a birthday of the first apo, si Lawrence. Okay, so, kamusta na sa inyo lahat dyan? Mabalot.
Kumet, parang kawig mo si sa haircut mo. JB Ejercito, man. Mayor of San Juan. Okay.
Happy birthday, Lawrence. May you have many more blessed birthdays to come in the future. We really appreciate the fact that you're part of our family, and we've enjoyed your company and Jen's as well. And we pray that you will have many more happy birthdays and more success in the future. Happy birthday.
Oh, say something else.
Oh, that's Tito Ernie. Don't do that.
What are you doing? Blow pipe.
Uh-oh.
Don't do blow pipe.
It's okay.
Okay, say happy birthday to Kuya.
Happy birthday.
Thanks, man.
Sensya na kayo,
She's shy.
It's already 11 o'clock.
We're for bedtime. Honey, do you have anything to say to me?
Peace.
Peace?
Happy birthday. Love you.
Thank you, man. Okay.
O, ikaw naman. Ano masasabi mo sa birthday mo? Birthday mo ka dyan. Ano masasabi mo sa birthday mo?
Siyempre, I'm happy. Although, siyempre, Dad, lakay dito, Brian, Mark, you, the rest of the family, like Cody and Elijah. Okay, I'm good. I'm very happy to celebrate my birthday with Uncle Mickey, Tates, and Mary, my wife. Kala ko nga, wala na kami gagawin. Kasi it's really raining hard here sa Bay Area ngayon. Anyway, okay na yun.
Namumula ka.
Ha? Must be the chocolate cake. Shy, camera shy.
Okay. Whenever you